Smart technologies powered by data are rapidly changing how businesses operate today. These changes are challenging old work methods and reshaping the business environment. AI and its branch, ML, lead the way in technological changes. Business leaders agree that AI and ML are key drivers of the Industry 4.0 revolution. AI is making a big impact across many industries. This includes healthcare, automobiles, agriculture, hospitality, manufacturing, and education. This technology helps businesses work better. It saves money, boosts customer service, raises profits, and keeps them competitive. AI-powered services, such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and facial recognition, are now real. Voice search and self-driving cars are also here. They are no longer just science fiction ideas. They are part of our everyday world, impacting many different aspects of modern life. Here are some interesting AI facts. They show how AI affects us now and the future chances it offers. Artificial intelligence facts. AI devices are everywhere. Nearly 77% of devices use AI in some way. Since 2000, their numbers have grown 14 times. AI startups are booming. Since 2000, their numbers have grown 14 times. Business leaders trust AI. About 84% of top executives think using AI is essential for business growth. AI market growth. The global AI market will reach $190.61 billion by 2025, growing at a rate of 36.62% per year. AI's economic impact. By 2030, AI will add $15.7 trillion to the world's GDP, boosting it by 14%. By 2025, there will be 8.4 billion AI voice assistants. That means they will outnumber people worldwide. AI adoption by big companies is high. Most top leaders, about 75%, believe AI will boost growth and keep them competitive. Consumers are hopeful about AI. In places like India, China, Western Europe, and the US, 41% believe AI will improve their lives. Most people are unaware they're using AI. While 84% use AI-powered devices or services, only 34% know it. AI voice assistants on smartphones are popular. About 96% of Android users use Google Assistant. Also, 98% of iPhone users prefer Siri. Many people also use these assistants in their cars, homes, and public places. The rise of voice search. 41% of people who use smart devices use the voice search feature at least once a day. Asset maintenance leads AI automation. AI is often used in manufacturing. A Capgemini study shows it predicts machine breakdowns. It also suggests the best maintenance times. About 29% of AI in manufacturing aims to keep production equipment running well. AI adoption boosts company profits. Danone, a global food company, uses AI. It helps predict and plan demand for its food products. Danone adopted AI and cut forecasting errors by 20%. It also reduced product waste by 30%. Retailers plan to use AI for price optimization in 2025. This change has boosted the company's profits. They know that 60% of consumers pick the best priced products. That's why many retailers plan to use AI by 2025 to optimize product pricing, according to a study by IBM. Consumers will embrace chatbots for better communication. Gartner says that in the next 10 years, AI chatbots will improve customer service. They will predict what customers want and interact with them in a more emotional way. Advanced chatbots can manage 95% of customer interactions. This cuts human involvement down to only 5%. Chatbots are gaining popularity. A global survey by LivePerson found that 38% of consumers like chatbots. Also, 51% have neutral views, and 11% see them negatively. AI can increase automotive industry profits. Capgemini's report on AI in the automotive industry shows that major automakers can increase their operating profits by 16% by using AI in production and supply chain management. The savings come from reducing costs like raw materials, labor, logistics, and maintenance. AI will boost global economies by 2030. Statist's research shows that by 2030, AI will add 26.1% to China's GDP. This is the highest in the world. North America will follow at 14.5%, and the United Arab Emirates at 13.5%. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is quickly changing the world. Its effects touch every industry. AI boosts business efficiency and enhances customer experiences. It's driving growth and innovation quickly. More people and businesses use AI solutions, so we see it more in daily life. AI's influence will keep growing. More advancements are expected in the years ahead. Adopting AI technology is key for companies. It helps them stay competitive and succeed in today's digital world.